Hey guys, so you know how every YouTuber has that moment where they're like, what the heck should I make a video about next? Yeah, we've all been there. But today, I'm gonna share how I use ChatGPT to whip up unlimited YouTube video ideas in, like no time at all. Trust me, this is a total game changer. Alright, let's keep it super simple. I just pop in a message like, hey, give me 20 viral YouTube video ideas for my your niche channel. And just like that, boom! ChatGPT serves up a whole list of ideas. Instead of sitting around for hours trying to think of something, I get a bunch of awesome options to choose from in a snap. How cool is that? Result. Alright everyone, let's dive into something exciting. Imagine you're brainstorming for your YouTube channel. You can simply ask ChatGPT, can you suggest 5 video series ideas for my niche channel? Suddenly, you're not just left with a single idea. You're presented with a whole theme that can inspire multiple episodes. This means you can create more content, maintain consistency, and attract even more subscribers who are eager to return for more. Now, if you're looking to ride the wave of trends, here's a fun tip. Ask, can you give me 10 YouTube video ideas that blend your niche with current trends? This approach allows you to craft content that isn't just good. It has the potential to go viral. By linking what's hot right now with what your audience loves, you're setting yourself up for success. Let's get creative and make the most of these tools. Hey there, creative soul! Next time you find yourself gazing at a blank page, don't you worry. Just open up ChatGPT, toss in one of these fun prompts, and voila, you'll have a treasure trove of YouTube ideas at your fingertips. If you found this little tip helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. I've got even more awesome AI hacks coming your way to help elevate your channel to new heights. Let's make your content shine together.